Real Deal Neil here at Akins Ford in Wider, Georgia, bringing you some Roush information. I've looked online everywhere and just do not see any information as far as what is included in the Roush off-road utility kit. So here we have in front of us a Roush off-road utility kit. Just want to break it down and show you all the components within it. First off, a 2-inch by 20-foot long tow strap. Gets you out of any jam you may arise in off the trail. Here is 2 utility straps for strapping down four-wheelers. Any certain items you have made there. A good looking set of Roush gloves, shackles, Roush LED light, and a set of jumper cables. So anytime you're wondering, hey, what's in my Roush off-road utility kit, you see on the window sticker here at Akins Ford, Roush Performance, these are your contents. Thanks so much.